Good day po sa lahat. This is Fiscal EJ once again. Tanong, meron bang pananagutan sa batas si VP Sara Duterte sa pag-amin niyang may kinuntsaba na siyang tao para ipapatay si President BBM, ang First Lady at si Speaker Romualdez kung sakaling may pumatay man sa kanya? Ano ba ang nakasaad sa ating batas? Wala pong pananagutan si VP Sara kahit na inamin pa niyang may kinuntsaba o may kinausap na siyang tao para ipapatay si President BBM. The mere proposal and or conspiracy to commit murder is not punishable because there is no law that punishes the mere agreement to commit the crime of murder. Meron pong mga conspiracies which are already crimes in themselves, but conspiracy to commit the crime of murder is not one of them. An agreement to murder another person, no matter how evil or reprehensible it may be, is not punishable. Nullum crimen nulla poena sine legi. There is no crime when there is no law punishing it. Walang krimen kung walang batas na nagsasabi na ito ay isang krimen. Dati, sa panahon ni former President Ferdinand Marcos in 1977, he issued Presidential Decree number 1110-A, making it punishable to conspire against the life of the President or of any member of his family, or against the life of any member of his cabinet or that of any member of the cabinet member's family. Death penalty ang parusa. In 1980, he issued another Presidential Decree, PD number 1743, amending PD 1110-A, this time including members of Congress, the Supreme Court, the Constitutional Commissions, the General Officers of Major Services and Commands of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or any member of their respective families. However, in 1987, President Cory Aquino, through Executive Order number 183, repealed the said presidential decrees. Meaning to say, binura ni President Cory ang mga presidential decrees na inisyu ni President Marcos. Pinawalang bisa ni President Cory ang mga presidential decrees na nagpaparusa sa crime of conspiracy to take the life of the President. Kaya simula noong June 5, 1987 hanggang ngayon, hindi na po krimen ang conspiracy to commit murder against the President. So yan lang po ang lesson natin for today, and see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po.